We're searching how to buy shares of Duolingo to guide you through the steps. Duolingo is an education technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DUOL. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DUOL to find the company. Make sure you select the correct Duolingo listing from the results before opening the asset page. On the asset page, you'll see a brief company description and a price chart that shows recent performance. Confirm the listing matches Duolingo and displays the DUOL ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once your order executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio. For the example used in this video, find the eToro link in the description to learn more.